Hi, this is Ted from Ted V Photos, another unbagging. And this is the Travel Weekender in the color navy from AER bags. I got a few AER bags. This is in the color navy. Most of them are in black. However, I just picked up a City Pack Pro 2. So I'm going to use this one for the plane along with the backpack itself, and that should meet my intent of everything I need to do while traveling. So with that, let's do the unbagging so we can see what we got. Now this is like a duffel bag. I have another duffel bag, but it's specifically a black one in color. It's a gym bag from AER. And I liked it so much, I said, well, I got to get another one. First thing that jumps out at me, I love the color, navy blue or navy. It will sit on its own, which is good. Has a trolley handle right there. Side pocket right here, almost like a hidden one. Maybe you put your passport in there, your wallet. This part should be closest to you so you can see it at all times. Front side, let's look at the front side. It only expands to the left. It does not expand to the right, so you can only use this area right here. And then you have an organizer portion. Oh, yeah. Key leash. And then we put pocket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different pockets. And it has the ability to expand, as you can see right there, because it's pleated. Very nice. The handles look nice. If you carry them individually like this, no cushion. But if you wrap it this way and fasten it, now you have a little cushion. Like so. Then, of course, you have water bottle pocket, and then the main portion of the bag. Carrying handle or sling. And it has good cushion. Not too keen about the plastic, keyhole or plastic clips. Prefer to have metal, but again, I've had no problem with the bags in the past, so I'm okay with that. And then the main portion of itself, very large. I'm going to use this primarily when I'm doing in-country travel. So I can put a pair of shoes in there. Oh, and I forgot one more on the back here. Laptop holder. Oh, yeah. That'll definitely handle a 16-inch. It'll handle my 15-inch for sure. Very impressed. It's what I expected it would be, maybe even more. So again, this is the AER Travel Weekender in the color of navy or blue. Very happy with this purchase. I did buy my bag on my own. I buy all my bags. I think I've only gotten one from someone, and that was like maybe 10 years ago. I'm not one of the cool people that get stuff sent to them, but I'm okay with that. Because when I tell you I like it, I like it. Very cool. AER Travel Weekender in the color navy. And I'm going to test it out next weekend. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please like, subscribe, so you can follow more of my adventures and more of my travels. Because I got a bunch of new stuff coming in. I just got to find the time to do it. Thanks. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.